10K, 21K na trail running, mga iba lang na, kasi ako lagi nagpa-fun run ako. I'm going to, magto 21 ako siguro by next week. Yung sa inyo ba ma'am napaplano po ba natin na itong mga atleta natin, i-expose natin sila doon sa ibang mga runners para magturo naman sila ng trail running?
Actually, meron po kaming mga ganyan na ongoing program. In fact, last weekend, meron kaming Trailblaze weekend at Camp Chanhae. So, nagkaroon ng Trail Running 101 and the following day, nagkaroon ng parang 10K and 3K na mini run. Sila yung pacers. And we're doing this around the Philippines. May mga partner organizers po. And so basically for PhilTra as a National Sports Association, ang mga program po natin, meron po for athletes, competitive athletes, and then meron po tayong tinatawag na trail running for all. This is focused naman on growing the sports, encouraging more people to go outside and I think makakatulong to both ways. Bukod sa makakatulong na tayo sa health and kasi naniniwala kami, trail running is one of the best way to improve your overall health, emotional, physical, mental, and also I think sports is also the best medicine, no? And yung tinatawag natin na preventive medicine para pag dumating ang panahon na nasa master's age na tayo, hindi kailangan ng ng mga maintenance drug. So yun. So meron kami mga program and madami din mga iba-ibang organizers. We have a program also that caters naman sa mga organizers, sa mga team, to equip them, to properly guide them in the conduct of events, whether it's a short distance race or an ultra distance race or a simple community run event. Good.
Okay, so salamat po sa panahon, sa pagdalaw niyo dito sa Philippine Sports Writers Association. Team Coordinator Gerald, please, final message, short message.
Yes, of course, sa paglipat po namin sa Spain, kailangan po ng suporta namin. Kailangan namin ng suporta ninyo, ng mga mamamayang Pilipino, ng trail running community. You can go to our Facebook page, our Instagram page, follow for updates, and then we have a website, philtra.ph. There are ways to support by donating, buying the merch, volunteering, and kahit magsimpleng pag-share lang ng mga post katulad ng live na to, malaking tulong na po sa amin para makita na meron pong trail running sports sa Pilipinas na pwedeng ilaban sa international stage.
Yes. Team Coordinator Lyra, please. Salamat po sa panahon.
Yes, salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Thank you PSC for having us here. Sa mga PSA for having us here, And sa lahat ng sumusuporta, maraming salamat at patuloy kayo na po sa sumusuporta sa PhilTra and maraming salamat po.
Tapang ng Pinoy laban para sa bayan. Yes, Ma'am Team.
So, maraming salamat po sa Philippine Sports Writer Association. Ang success po ng PhilTra is parte po ang PSA dito. And thank you for having us here and always supporting the sports of trail running. And sa mga nanonood po dito, ilang tulong na lang lalaban ang ating mga Filipino trail running athletes. So please support them, show your support and motivate our athletes. Keep us in your prayers for a safe, successful, and so that they can carry the flag with pride and proudly in the trails of Canfranc, Spain.
Yes. There you have it, our Philippine trail running team to the Canfranc, Spain World syempre, World Mountain and Trail Running Championships. All the best and God bless. Till next time po. Ito po ang ating Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum. Kita-kita po ulit tayo next Tuesday. Salamat. God bless everyone.